exploring the concept of life. Life, noun. The condition that distinguishes animals and plants from inanimate objects, characterized by growth, reproduction, and activity. Scientists are studying the possibility of life on other planets. The forest is full of life during spring. Life, noun. The existence of an individual human being or animal. She dedicated her life to helping others. His life changed dramatically after the accident. Life, noun. The period during which someone is alive. He spent his whole life in that small town. In her later life, she became an author. Life, noun. The quality of being lively or full of energy. The music brought life to the party. Her paintings are full of life and color. Life, noun. The experiences, activities, and routines that make up a person's existence. He enjoys the simple life on his farm. Her life is full of adventures and travel. Life and soul of the party. Someone who brings energy and enthusiasm to a social event. She's always the life and soul of the party. Bring to life, to make something more interesting or vivid. The director's vision brought the characters to life on screen. A matter of life and death, a very serious or urgent situation. Getting the medicine on time is a matter of life and death. It's a life or death situation. Life is what you make it, a saying that suggests your happiness depends on your attitude and actions. Remember, life is what you make it, so stay positive. You deserve a bigger life. I spent my whole life fighting. I've decided to focus on the good things in life and ignore the things I can't control. I thought I could give him a better life. For the rest of my life. Thank you for walking into my life. Fun fact, my whole life and my entire life both mean the same thing. They refer to the totality of someone's life from beginning to the present moment, or another specified time. These expressions are interchangeable in most contexts, but my entire life might sound slightly more formal than my whole life. I have lived in this town my whole life. She has waited her entire life for this opportunity. My whole life has been about helping others. They've worked their entire life to build this business.